Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I was thinking the other day, something I never really talked about is when your truck smells in the trucking industry, when your truck smells really bad, no matter what you do, especially if you get another truck or even if you get a rental or whatever the case. It smells, and no matter what you do, you can't get the smell out. There's one thing I've used, and it's very cheap. You might have to be a little careful with it, but it's very cheap and very effective, and it works for it really well, actually. Really good. I'm gonna show it to you right now, so let's get to it. So what we got here is this right here. It is, you can buy expensive ones, you can buy small ones, but before I show you, you got to be careful. You can't be in the vicinity with it, and when you turn it on or when you use it, you got to turn it on and then you got to air it out for like 30 minutes, and you can't like use it while you're sleeping or something like that. It can be dangerous. So that's the warning before I show you it. And here it is. It is a zone generator air purifier. They work great. If you have an inverter, you can easily plug it into your truck, or if you want to plug it into a wall, and it has a timer on it. And you just got to be safe. You don't want to have any pets or anything while it's going on, or you're not going to be using it for, I would do it like, it depends on how bad it is. If you want to do it for like 30 minutes or an hour, the timer goes off. I would not go in the truck for at least, I would say an hour to 30, I would say 1 hour just to be safe. And if you have an opportunity, you can just open the door and let it air out for a minute. But man, these things work, man. I've used it for other stuff, like it has smell like cigarettes. On other things, I'll put something that smells in the car just to get that smell out of like a jacket or anything that I have sold before. And yeah, you could just use this. You have something that smells, this thing will remove it. So these things work great. So I didn't know about these for a while until I don't remember, it was something to do with the truck industry, but yeah, I never knew that these existed until I remember what happened. I went to a yard sale and a guy said, yeah, I bought this like skunk, like lived in my car and like defecated in or something. Or was it a skunk or a raccoon, something to that effect. And he said he bought one of these things, and he left it overnight and the smell was gone. He cleaned it out and everything. You got to clean out the smell, like clean out, vacuum it out, and then you put this in there. And yeah, he said it totally removed the smell. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And for this one, I think this one was $40. There's more expensive ones, but if you want to help the channel out and buy it, it's really simple, guys. You just plug it in the back, turn it on, you put the timer on, and it just whatever it does something with the ions, or I don't know, and removes the butt smell. So all right, guys, hopefully that helped you. Something you can use, and you can keep it in your truck, and when you need it, if you change your truck and you're not going to be going for a minute, like you have like 2 hours to spare, you want to put this in there and like get the smell out and then air it out for like an hour, because it does have a timer. So if you had it, you could put it for like 15 minutes and and then let it sit for about, I know the directions say 30 minutes, but just to be safe, or open the door and let it air out for a minute. But yeah, all right, guys, thanks for watching Big Rig Fixed. Thanks, guys. Bye.